32nd anniversary of Babri Masjid demolition observed. Today marks 32 years since the demolition of the Babri Masjid in Ayodhya on 6 December 1992. The mosque's destruction by mob triggered communal violence across India, leaving a lasting impact on the nation's socio-political fabric. The Supreme Court, in a 2019 verdict, ruled the demolition illegal but allowed the construction of a Ram temple on the disputed site, citing archaeological evidence and faith. While some view this as a victory for Hindu identity, others see it as a blow to secularism and justice. Commemorations and debates around the incident continue to reflect the complexities of India's pluralistic society.